One of the direct effects of the state emergency declaration is the way it changes the law here in North Carolina when it comes to price gouging.
Consumer investigator Steve Sprague explains how you're protected. Steve.
Well, guys, even before the state of emergency was declared, we saw panic buying and price gouging here in North Carolina. But before the declaration, the state couldn't do anything about it. Now it can.
We usually see it when bad weather hits, people taking advantage of the situation and start to charge crazy prices for things. Under North Carolina law, a price gouging statute only kicks in when a state of emergency is declared. The state defines price gouging as charging a price that is unreasonably excessive under the circumstances. Because there is no set price or percentage increase defined in that law, the law can apply to different products and services in times of crisis. Before the declaration of emergency, I found disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer at excessive prices being sold online through Amazon. I emailed Amazon asking about the products and was told they were removing sellers who were charging excessive amounts for basic need items. Now, because those sellers do business in North Carolina, the state's price gouging law will allow the Attorney General to go after anybody selling those items to North Carolinians. As we saw during the recent hurricanes, the state can seek judgments against price gougers. After Hurricanes Florence and Michael, the AG won judgments of more than $725,000 against those who took advantage during the state of emergency. And those fees included restitutions and penalties.
But here is the catch. The Attorney General can't go after price gougers unless he has a complaint. So you've got to file a complaint about a specific item. And it can't be for prices before the declaration went into effect today at noontime. Reporting for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Sprague.